Thanks for being with us today, Alan. Could you talk a little bit about your historical experience with trading, please?
Yes, I started in 2011. With Alpesh's help, I have gone from 10% a year to 20% a year. That is remarkable for me.
What are your thoughts on PipsPredator?
Results indicate that it works, my dear.
Final question. What would you say to someone considering PipsPredator?
I would say that for those who are prepared to put in the shift and to learn the process and the mindset required, it is an excellent tool.